जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जी बेटे, वी वर स्टडिंग अबाउट चैप्टर इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी इंडस्ट्रीज एंड द इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. The grade is grade O1. Fine. So our today's topic is about industries in Pakistan. That what sort of industries are here in Pakistan. We have already discussed the textile industry, sports, telecom, cement, surgical, sugar, defense industry, automobile, fashion, fertilizer, oil and gas industries and chemical industries. Then first of all we shall discuss what is textile industry. Historically, Pakistan's textile industry and clothing sector has always been a major contributor to the foreign exchange and earner and still it is contributing. Then there comes the product. What sort of products we are having? Products are wool fabric, power loom products, scarves, blanket, winter shawls, hand embroidered shawls, textile products and handicrafts. Then we discussed about the carding and spinning processes of cotton industry, that how cotton is transformed into a proper cloth. Then different this is the process of that spinning process. After spinning process, the fabric is going to be designed, and then how the fabric is going to be made. This process is called as weaving process. So in this way, the dresses which we wear, they are made through these weaving processes. Next is sugar byproducts. Alcohol is used by pharmaceutical industry and ethanol used as a fuel. So sugar industry is the larger industry in Pakistan. So there are different sugar mills. Total of 106 sugar mill in the country. Sugar cane acreage in Pakistan is 5th in the world and it is grown on over 1 million hectares. Pakistan ranks 15th in the world for sugar cane production, and its GDP, gross development production contribution 0.7%, employment is 1 million. And then per capita consumption is 26 kg. Per capita we have already discussed in the start of the chapter. Then there is fertilizer industry. Fertilizer is any organic or inorganic material of natural or synthetic origin other than liming materials that is added to the soil to supply one or more plant nutrients essential to the growth of plants. Fine. So after fertilizing industry, there comes fertilizing products. What are those fertilizing products which are enhancing the fertility of the land? They are urea, DAP, NP, CAN, SSP and others. Its production is in front of you, that how much production is going to be there. That is of 65%. The largest production of fertilizer is urea. Then there comes cement industry. Cement industry is one of the most prominent and energetic organization having operations and interactions with cement industry. So your single source for Pakistan cement industry, and then this is a cement plant overall, then cement export and cement plant machinery, which we will discuss in this chapter. But before that we will discuss its achievements. Pakistan is ranked 5th in the world's cement export. Now have the difference. As the sugar industry is concerned, at 15th level, and for cement industry Pakistan stands at 5th level in the world's cement exports. Pakistan exports increased by 47% in last fiscal year, and 5th position, leaving Germany behind. This is a great achievement. 2008 to 2009, 20.28 MT and exported $700 meter in past years. Then cement companies in Pakistan, 23 cement companies, 4 foreign companies, 3 controlled by the armed forces and 19 companies are listed on the stock exchange. GDP, gross development production, is 3.5% contribution. So then there comes iron and steel industry, very important industry of Pakistan. Iron and steel industry contributes steel industry, heavy machinery complex HMC and heavy forge factory, that is forge factory at HFF at Texla in 1979. This is a stamp of this industry. Now government industry policy since independence. We shall discuss it in the we shall discuss it next.